Do 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 do. Okay. Welcome everyone. Good morning, good morning. Right. So today I'm going to be focusing mainly on GJ today because of the fact that it's a US bank holiday. So gold should be a little bit slow over here. AUD JPY could be also okay, but AUD has a lot of links with gold, so we'll see. But the main thing I'm going to focus on is GJ. Let me just take a look at the rest to see if gold is actually ranging. Let's take a look. Wow, pushed up quite nicely this morning. But yeah, I think for this I'm probably going to be leaving gold out today because US is not open. But it looks like GJ is not open at the moment. Damn, the volume's ass. Okay, so let me just put this in. So yeah, just be careful. Also, later on this week we have Thursday and Friday is our holiday. So yeah, Thursday and Friday. There's actually a lot of bank holidays on Thursday. And Friday, yeah. So we'll see for that as well. But I would advise staying away from GJ there. Okay, CAJ. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Looking like it's continuing up. Just look at the daily time frame. Yeah, finally. Oh, it's got a little gap over here. Very nice. Okay, let me just go through GJ first of all, and then we're gonna get started here. So, so the first thing on GJ is the daily time frame right now is bullish. The last one's also closed bullish, which is nice to see. Let me just move this here. Yeah, so they closed bullish, which is nice. Oh shit. But still, we haven't really closed above this area, so it's still kind of in a little triangle pattern, which is coming from the left hand side and the right, so like this. And we're going to break out of either above or below in these areas at some point soon. Hopefully it'll be sooner or later. 4-hour time frame closed bullish above all the wicks it's just recently had, which is kind of interesting. This next one's just flipped bullish. So the 4-hour and the daily right now are bullish. And overall I'd say GJ is bullish right now. After it's rejected these highs and these lows numerous times. Okay, this hourly's just opened and it's just actually ran up a little bit over here. Looking like still a shitty price action in this area until 675. On the hourly time frame, it's looking a little bit choppy. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. So 15 and 30-minute time frames, yeah, it's not the nicest area, I'd say, for me personally. So I think potentially buys above 737 would be kind of nice as well. So let me just put this over here because that's the main resistance. This is where we want candles to break. If you get a closure above there, where are we going to continue to? Well, let's take a look to the left. Yeah, it's probably going to be up at 980. Let's take a look on the 50-minute time frame. Where does this look like? Yeah, 980 could be a possibility to continue to. So yeah, I think that could be kind of nice for buys above. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, and the 30-minute will be coming and filling them wicks up. So it looks okay for buys. I wouldn't say it's the nicest area, to be honest. The sells, then damn, sells are going to be kind of hard as well, if I'm honest. Sells are going to be pretty hard because, you know, we've got to support there, we've got to support there, we've got to support there. So where would be the easiest place to take sells? Very hard. Let me just see what this line looks like. Yeah, so the thing is I can't put it there, can I? Because the support's there. It's just ass. So then you move it down to like maybe there, and you go, yeah, but there's one there as well. So it's really, really hard for sells, I'm not going to lie. The only thing you could possibly do is wait for rejections here, and then sell it back down in this zone. So yeah. Will you not mark the wicks in GJ? I don't know. I use my zone to the bodies of the candles, not the wicks. Yeah, just the bodies of the candles. Let's see. Look, GJ super choppy right now. First London session of the week. Yeah, it's pretty choppy. It's hella choppy, to be honest. But yeah, let's take a look over here. So buys above 167.43. Very nice. And yeah, sells, I mean, this zone is big enough, but it's just so choppy. So, I mean, the only way to get into sells here is nice, strong candles, right? Nice, strong, meaty candles would be the only option, I think. So yeah, let's take a look at AJ. AJ's breaking up. It's pushed up, broken the previous highs, continuing out of this little range it was in, which is good. Oh, the 4-hour closed bullish above as well, which is nice to see. So the last 4-hour candle closed bullish, which is good. And there's nice clean zones, man. There's nice clean zones for AJ to continue bullish. Yeah, filling that wick would be nice. It's 40 pips away. Let's take a look on the lower time frames. So yeah, I mean, we've closed above. I mean, it's not really the nicest price action on the 15, to be honest. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30 minutes much cleaner. 30-minute closed above, and now it's pushed off, which is nice. But yeah, I wouldn't say it was the nicest area. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame to the left. Yeah, it's very hard when it's just breaking above over here. It looks like there's a little bit of resistance here. I want to see the 15-minute now. We've still got the jazz music on. Let's go a little bit further on. See if there's any resistance here. So there's a little bit of minor resistance right there where price is. There's also one there as well. Yeah. Probably put it there. So potentially buys above 385 I think would be nice, because it'll be coming back into that area and it'll be much safer. So yeah, I mean, buys above there could be kind of nice. Shout out to newcomer today, Tegan. Oh, shout out to Tegan. We missed it for AJ. I don't know. I mean, maybe it happened a little bit earlier, but this is a 6:30. 6:30 is way too early for me. 6:30 is way too early. And if you actually got into that trade there, I mean, so this candle closed bullish above on the 30. The 15 would have wicked all the way down. Then would have came back up. And you still wouldn't have had 10 pips. So it would have probably been about a break-even trade. So, yeah, it hasn't moved a lot. So, yeah, we'll see. It's not looking too good on the chart at all. Hello, I hope you're looking good and active. Yeah. What was that? Is AJ active during London? Yeah, I would say so. I'd say every so often some nice little moves, but for the most part it's near NY really. More towards NY, I'd say, yeah. So yeah, we'll just be patient over here. And yeah, remember it is a US bank holiday today, so don't be rushing in trying to take gold trades, because you know it's a bank holiday, man. It's a bank holiday. Euro AUD, stop spamming the chat. Just send me a chart. I don't really look at it. Okay, where is everyone in Zoom over? You haven't said hi to people. What up, squad? What up? What up? What up? Everyone's back in business. Anyone take any trades yet this morning? I think Ron took some trades. I think Ron took some trades.
Yeah, I've been selling GA. And
wow.
EA on the FTO, FMO account. I've been selling EA because it doesn't have GA.
Nice.
So I'm just in a trade now. I'm 20 pips up on the GA of this last trade.
Amazing. Very nice. Early morning. Max, I'll be going for my funded soon. I'm catching 3% consistently weekly. Nice. If you're doing that consistently, then go for it. Yeah. Someone's saying they bought ETH. Is it going up like? Oh, up 6%. Shit. Okay. It's finally going to retrace a little bit. I mean, I could do a gold analysis, but I just don't want you guys to get worked up in the gold when there's no, you know, it's bank holiday, man. You're just going to get slapped a little bit. So, it's probably best not to do that, to be honest. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, AJ is okay, but I am also a bit cautious about AJ having no volume today because it's linked with gold, Australian dollar, And gold isn't going to move much today because of the bank holiday, I don't think. Let's just take a look at where it was, though. It did push up through Asian. Oh shit, 1 second. Let's take a look. So yeah, I mean, it's already ran up loads. Fucking 100 pips from 2 a.m. Holy shit. Let's take a look over here. Yeah. I think it's good to have this day to let it relax and get above. I mean, 1869 would be pretty nice because then be leaving this little area just being in for a while and then coming above to 1880s, which would be nice. Yeah, if it breaks above 1867, it should continue, which would be much nicer. I've got 10 pips in GJ at 165.50. How the fuck did you get in there, Brian? Jesus Christ. 1 second. Eight balls. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, did you just get in there and the 15 made the lower wick? Face stops aren't bad, are they?
Exactly. No, it's a bit of a channel and a bit of a triangle and quarter points. I used quarter points with this one, and we're retesting the 4-hour channel as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's a bit of confidence.
Yeah. Little sick. You are so arrogant, so being a little humble will be amazing. You can attract more people that way.
It's another person that wants to go fly a kite.
Yeah.
Tell him to go somewhere else, man.
Yeah, I think people already have in the chat. They always do. So yeah, we'll see today. I think hopefully we can get buys. To be honest, I prefer buys, but the charts right now aren't looking too nice. To be honest with you, so no sells on GJ. The only issue with sells is where you're gonna take them, right? Where you're gonna take them. There's so many wicks to the downside. I mean, yeah, it's hard. I'll only potentially look at sells if there's some nice strong candles. This hourly actually has no bottom wick yet, so I'll be careful on buys right now, guys. Yeah, hourly has no bottom wick yet. Still got 48 minutes left. Trade only GJ and AJ. Yeah. Today, wait, someone says that Forex Factory isn't showing the US bank holiday for me. It depends where you are. It might be on the day before, it might be here, it might be on Sunday. Yeah, if you're in a different country, sometimes it fucks it up. But yeah, I think it's definitely today, right? Anyone from America here who can confirm? Can confirm. You need a clean breakout candle to get into sells. Yeah, you need an engulfing bearish candle at least. Below here, I'd say. I'd say if you're re-risking it, then back below like 164.24 would be okay. But there is a lot of wicks to the downside and stuff, so you're gonna be a bit cautious. But yeah, it's Memorial Day here. Ah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So yeah, we'll see. We'll be patient. But yeah, yes, on Friday over here, I took one last trade of the week, and yeah, it was pretty good. Where was it? I was looking at the 5. It was somewhere.
That hit full TP this morning. Everyone else saw that.
Did it? Yeah.
It hit the top of the channel.
Because we got in, where the fuck did we get in here? We got in like down here, there. Yeah, we got the 5 minute. Because this was a little trend. We saw price respecting our level. Price broke up. Price retested on this previous level that we had marked. Then I got into the buy here. Surplus below. And run that bitch all the way back up there, which is 38 pips, which is nice. I closed 80% of my run. I closed 80% here on this resistance there, like 12 pips. And the rest up here on the daily flip. Was nice. Worked out nicely. So if you look on the 15, how does that look? And it's just these candles over here retesting this previous level and reacting off it. So yeah, it's pretty good. Oh yeah. So AJ running off over here, which is nice. No retracement on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's... I mean, you could just use an 8-pip stop, right? You could have just used an 8-pip stop. The 50-minute time frame for me looks fucking awful. I'm not jumping in at AJ yet. Oh my god, GJ. Some volume coming in over here. Some volume coming in. Wow, that came out of nowhere. What the fuck? Shit, boy. Some volume coming in. GJ flying. Yeah, looking like it, eh? Looking like it. So, if we do get a closure above us, take a look to the left if we're okay. Yeah, it'll be the first bullish closure above, which is okay. The only issue you have for a retest is wherever price could retest, it's too far to retest, and also the stops on the previous would be huge. So yeah, if price comes down and breaks the previous current high, then that could be pretty good to continue. So we'll see potentially to get into a little bit of a trade over here. If this makes a nice lower wick, then breaks the high, I don't see why not. I don't see why not. If it doesn't make the lower wick and breaks the high, then that's good as well for the impulses. So if you're getting on the highs over here, guys, where are you putting your stops? That's the interesting part. For me anyway, that I'm quite intrigued on. So look, broken the high now. Should continue. Where's your stops going to be if things go wrong? You could even have it on there if you wanted. Just see how far it pushes. Maybe. Good day, sir. Non-training related, you probably said yeah, at least once every minute. Okay, nice, Bobby. Thank you for that information. It's really helpful. 1 second. With a push, are you not concerned about the reversal? Well, yeah, exactly. If it breaks the high, it's impulsive, right? So you got to remember that. And people are happy taking that as well because it's got a lot of volume, so it should be okay. For me, though, I'm not going to rush into this. I'll probably wait for the 30 to close at least. And to be honest with you, the zone it's coming into, this one here, it's still not my favourite, to be honest with you. There's a lot of rejection wicks. So, I mean, if I have to wait a little bit higher up, then I'll do that. I'll do that. So, yeah. Let's take a look. So yeah, we'll wait patiently. AJ coming up though nicely, and gold is pushing up as well. Shit, let's take a look over here if any news came out. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Bitcoin is flying. Cut the whole 4-hour candle. Oh, nice. Finally getting back up, right? So that would have worked nicely. So now, if you got in on the impulse of the break of the high, stop loss to break even, and hope it continues. That's all you gotta do. When you get into a little bit of profit on an impulse, you just put it to break even and hope it continues. There's no need for it to hold it because it hasn't retested, it hasn't came back and broke the lows yet. So best to have it safe and at break even. No trade on GJ. There's no place. There's no stop loss place. Yeah, exactly. For me, there's nothing there. Maybe if this candle came down over here to around about there and then reflipped, then I probably would have got in there. Still looking like London's maybe a little bit impulsive. Run of 30 pips. Oh, it stayed on? I thought it might have hit you out here. Oh shit, nice. Mate, that's so fucking lucky. You got in there, did you?
Yeah, that one.
Is it safe to take a buy on GJ? I wouldn't say it was safe right now. Maybe later on. Can you tell us what's the important rule for an impulse entry? If you're getting in an impulse entry, you gotta have stop loss to break even very quickly. Because price can reverse on you very quickly. And then you'll go from, 8 pips, 7 pips profit to minus 10 pips drawdown pretty quickly, so Gold closure above, is that good? Yeah, but for me it's a bank holiday, so I'm not trading it. So yeah, if GJ closes, sorry, if GJ on Thursday and Friday, like if GJ is open, I won't be trading that either because it's a bank holiday. No point really. So yeah, we'll wait a little bit further on, but looking like people in the buys there might be okay. Have to see. We got in on the highs 810. So yeah, everyone have a good holiday, not holiday, weekend. I had a good weekend. I was pretty much hungover half the time, to be honest, though, which just kind of sucked. And Real Madrid won. That was great. And there you go. So 15 could not continue, so you would have got a break even there for the impulse. So yeah, impulses. There was 2 impulses last week on GG, I think, as well, of just breaking of highs at 8 o'clock. And sometimes you can go for it. Same with gold, but you gotta just, you know, if it comes into any drawdown, just take it off. Thank God I secured. Yeah. I'd rather have some nice clean candles breaking out of zones before I start getting in, because before it looked a little bit choppy, right? From the start of like 1 o'clock, it's been pretty good, pretty choppy. So that's okay too, man. Let me just check something over here. Looking like we're maybe continuing again, but for me, taking them impulses, you've got to have that break even there. It's too risky to hold it on. Way too risky. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you had a really good weekend, and if you enjoyed Real Madrid winning, like the stream, man. Real Madrid winning was amazing. Real Madrid winning was sheesh. Okay, so AJ is finally breaking out of this crappy area it's been in for so long, which is nice. Courtois win that Champions League, yeah, man. I always say when I see him in like finals and stuff, he's class. He's so big. He's massive. Yeah, we should come up to 91,863 eventually, I think, on AJ. We'll see though, we'll see. Does anyone else see anything in Zoom about GJ at all? Anyone see anything? Because for me, nothing's really aligning yet. We're making higher highs, so always continuing. Like you can see over here, we're making like little supports, etc. But it's not too clean yet. United is the best team, Red Devils. Mate, Liverpool couldn't get into the stadium. That was so poorly organised. Oh my god. It's painful to watch. We waited like fucking 2 hours from the start.
Maxi boy.
What up, my boy? Did you watch the final?
Yeah, I did, but I knew who was gonna win since the beginning. Remember?
That's mad. That Liverpool
Yeah,
bottled it.
Nah, man, that's just Real Madrid had too much experience, man, in that squad. And you know, if you check even the whole game plan, man, Liverpool came out guns blazing, full 90, and Madrid was like, chill, bro. They just controlled the game. Like Liverpool attacked, they just defended well, you know, and with the quality they had, they got the goal. Also, that disallowed goal, man. Jeez.
Mate, Trent fucked it. Trent, I knew he was gonna forget it. He's just not the best at defending, man. Sometimes you need like an Ashley Cole or someone there, just fucking snap his legs.
Yeah, I'm just glad they lost.
Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah, let's take a look. Did you see how many people ended up with scam tickets? Yeah, fuck. There's so much stuff going on. And then they were tear gassing the fans. That was pretty mad. It was just so poorly organised. They won't be going back to Paris again. Jesus Christ. Like a pain in the ass. Why didn't you take that GJ Buymax? Because it was an impulsive trade, and I'm not doing that on a Monday morning. And also, it would have been a break even, so. Especially for the fact that left hand side here we have rejection wicks. I don't know, for me it just didn't look too good, man.
Yeah, I have a resistance at 834. And it's also the 750 level. That's not good.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. There's stuff there as well. It's just a shitty area, isn't it? Really. I really want it above here, to be honest. Let me just move this to here, just to keep it safe. Because if you can see here, you can see in the 30 there's resistances there as well, which is your level, like you said. It's just a little bit choppy. A little bit choppy. Let me just change this then. But anyhow, it's all good. Benzema for the Ballon d'Or. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Who would be against him, though, I think? Yeah, because Salah I don't think Salah's going to get it. Man, they just had one shot on target and they scored. Yeah. That's all you need. That keeper saved some fucking class shots, though. Holy crap. So wow, if this closes back in over here, damn, boy. I wouldn't say take a sell straight away, but it's nice to see it. I would like to see some nice bearish ass candles to like take a look at sells, because the zone is a little bit crappy, so it's going to be about the candles getting on. So yeah, 260 people in here, wicked stuff. Yeah, I want some nice trades this morning, we'll see, but yeah, coming on straight away and seeing these candles, not really too nice. It's just in a range. AJ needs to close above 370. God, that 50-minute time frame looks nasty. Just put some. Benzema robbed. That offside rule is ridiculous. Yeah, that was stupid. Oh my god. I was like, what? So I'm glad they went after that, because that was stupid.
Kind of need to be careful.
That was stupid. I saw Sashin was out. Is Sashin out here? Where did Sashin go out? Sashin's not here. Oh,
That's always bloody out lately.
yeah. Sashin was out partying.
Still nursing his double hangovers.
Yeah. Max, do you trade Thursday and Friday this week? I don't know. I think I'll do NY. Yeah, I think I'll do NY. Do you agree? I think NY would be okay, but I think there's no point doing London. It's a bank holiday. We'll do NY though. NY. Max USD bank holiday? Yep, sure is. So yeah, it might be a little bit less volume today. We'll see. We'll see what the score is. But I mean, right now there's nothing really, right? So that's okay with me. Sit back and relax. Sit back and relax. But yeah, yesterday I went through trades taken last week, but I also went through trade opportunities for the retest. There was some nice retest actually.
What up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Oh my god, my room. I need to clean that up now.
Let's take a look over here and say. Yeah, I was going through potentially GJ for trades.
The issue that we all had at the time was stop losses too big. Okay.
Yeah, so that one was quite a hard one. Then we saw one before, which is this one here, which is nice actually. I saw that one. That was tasty. Back in the zone is tasty if you can get the retest. nice. Stops can be very, very nice. Which is good to see. Stick lucky here. What about Brian? What about you, Brian? Yeah, what are you trading? Bri.
I'm looking for sells next if we get a good closure, but I need another confirmation, so I need this one to close, and then another 15 there.
Yeah, I agree.
Turtle.
There we go.
Because it's broken the highs of the previous Asian.
Correct.
Now it's closing back in. Yes, very nice. The hourly still has no bottom wick. Oh. No, I think he was asking about. The bank holidays. What do you think for bank holidays and stuff later on today? Sorry, not today. Later on this week. Are you going to trade it? You're not going to be too asked.
Me?
Yeah, that's what he's asking.
Yeah, bank holidays. I won't trade it.
Yeah.
I didn't answer the question.
Yeah. Maxi AJ, yeah, AJ 50-minute close bearish, but very weak. I would not be taking sells right now, and everything's still very, very bullish. So it didn't close above for me. So that is okay. But yeah, I mean, if GJ really rejects these levels, these highs, and damn, the bias in GJ is bullish. Yeah, but I wouldn't say it was, hugely bullish, right? And if prices just came up and rejected these highs, it's not really too nice for it to continue bullish yet. But, yeah, it's only one 50-minute candle. I've got to wait for some more bearish candle closures. I'm going to go holiday for 4 days. Yeah, go for it, man. It's the best time to do it with bank holidays. For sure. Let me get this back. Oh, shit. He fell off my fucking chair then. Jesus Christ. There we go. So yeah, we'll see. What would be the retest in the 5-minute? Probably be back up there, 783. Kind of did that in the last one though. Yeah, I just remember when I was younger, always trading the bank holidays. It always end up in disaster. So it's just there's no need to do it. 50-minute has already broken the low of the previous. Very nice. Look at the 5 minutes. 5 minute strong candles rejecting. So who took that buy just there, and who lost it? So who just had a 10-pip stop and hoped it could continue? Because I know there'd be some people that did that. And this is your example of where if you're in a trade, an impulsive trade, just leave it out. Okay, have a break even when you come off. Don't just hold it. Yeah, so gold candles right now closing doji, big wicks. Yeah, nothing much. 3 pips bank, stop loss, hit okay. Max is Indian. Ah, wow, I've changed race now. I'm not Chinese anymore, I'm Indian. Fuck's sake. Fair enough. Whatever floats your boat. Oh, look at GJ coming back in that zone, boy. Rejecting them highs. Okay. Look at EJ. Just send me a chart, my man. I'm going to be doing a Magic Keys giveaway this week for sure. I think I said that last week, but I'm definitely going to do it. And there's a clear winner here, right? My guys sent me charts in every single day. So buys above 674 you're looking for. Yeah, looks like you might have got in on that closure just before that impulsive trade when it broke the high. Sells below 247. Yep, so kind of safer sells down there. It's just so choppy for the sells, isn't it, though? But if I can get in at the highs, then that won't be too bad. But beautiful. So what I mean by that is if I get into sells around these areas and I've got all this zone to run down, I don't really care about my entry now because it's so high up. So I'm sure Max is John Cena. John Cena. So yeah, if you guys do want to send me a chart, just take your camera, take the link, and then send it to me without the start bit here, and then you'd be fine. Send me a chart. We'll take a look at it. So the 30-minute time frame over here still got, 26 minutes left. The 30-minute closed bullish above, so you've got to be careful for taking sell straight away. I'd rather wait for at least another 15, but yeah. Congratulations, Max, you have a new race. Oh my god. Jesus. Anyone watch Obi-Wan Kenobi? Oh my god. Yeah, that first scene when they're in the fucking thing is sick. When they're in the Jedi temple. Shit. Apparently the new one's coming in on Wednesday as well. I'm like, yes, I thought it was going to come on Friday, so I'm well buzzing about that as well. So yeah, we'll see with this 4-hour flipping as well. But overall, I mean, it's rejecting these highs again. It's been in this area for so long now. How many days? Like, yeah, it's been here a while, so it'd be nice for it to get out for sure. GJ, no sells if closed above 160, 680. Yeah, so have to agree with that, I'd say. I'd want it further below. For sure, for sure. So looking like gold is starting to lose a little bit of momentum over here. Where on though? On this next resistance, 1863. Yeah. Let me just get rid of all this shit. Gold being pushed down by pre-London. It hasn't moved too much though. It's been okay. For me, it's just in a little tricky area as well, and it's bank holiday. I'm like, I'd rather just wait for it to break above 1866. That's when I'm gonna be interested for it for sure. God, my room's so fucking cold. So we'll see. I mean, if this 15 doesn't close too nice, then I'm probably just gonna wait for the hourly to close. Gold understands today that is bank holiday. Yeah. So here's an example of where people may be getting into the sells a bit too early on, and now they're going to be taking some drawdown. But you need to always remember to look at the 30-minute time frame as well. Look at the 30. The 30 closed above. This can just fill this wick, right? You know, closed above resistance. So you've got to be a little bit cautious when you're looking at the 15. If you're looking at potential trades, just always check the 30 and the hourly to see if they are always like kind of matching as well. And at the moment, the only bearish sign is on the 15-minute, which is the lowest confirmation. And the 30 could still continue up, so you've got to be a little bit cautious there. AJ nearly breaking the high of the previous, and yeah, gold relaxing. I'm going to quickly go to the toilet, but yeah, nothing too much yet, guys, but it's not even 8 o'clock yet, so we're all good. You just have to wait patiently, so it'll be 2 minutes. wicked. Right. Let's take a look. Since gold was previously in a downtrend, did this push up during Asian trigger stop losses for gold shorts? Oh, maybe. Maybe. Yeah. I'm just really wanting gold to get out of this fucking range, to be honest. Much nicer above. Much nicer above. Did you watch the Sidemen video? No, not yet, not yet. I'll watch it this week though, some point. So what do we think then? If this 50-minute closes bearish below, where would you really want to get in on the bearish below? Because still, if this 50-minute candle still closes bearish, the 30 is still open. I think I may just wait for the 30 to close back below. I think might get caught in the sells here. So I think what I'm going to do is wait for the 30-minute to close, probably below here. I think so. On the 30-minute. So yeah. That's what I'll wait for. It's not bank holiday today, is it? It is for US, yeah. It is for the US. For me, it's still above previous 30-minute resistance. Yeah, right now it is for sure. Yeah. So you know, as I always say, if this a trade you're looking at which isn't really working out, like for example, it's not completely perfect and it's not looking nicely, then it's probably too good to be true right now. So best to just wait for a bit more. Which was on AJ buys. Above 393. And then we should continue all the way to 91,690. Kind of clean candles above there as well. So, yeah, let me move this down over here. So the first one would probably be there, 578, and then to 690. My only issue is AJ and the amount of volume it's going to have today. I don't know. I think it needs a lot of gold with it. Please look at Telegram chat. Okay. Okay, gold. So you're saying that this is showing reversal and a Bollinger Bands is getting a bottleneck. I have no idea what that means, my man. But yeah, I think you mean that the candles are getting smaller and smaller, right? It makes sense, but I think where to potentially get the trades is pretty hard so far. So there we go. DJ's rejected pretty hard over here. Rejected pretty hard. 2:43, 2 minutes 43 seconds left. It's showing that I should go down. Yeah. But that 4-hour bullish candle, though, you know, it's hard to think. But the 4-hour didn't even close above this resistance. Can you see? So yeah, I could reject it for sure. Righty ho. Is Brian in yet? Maybe on the retest. The only issue is that this 5-minute didn't push up enough for me to go with 780. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can get in on the retest over here. That would be pretty nice. If not, then we could continue lower. I'd rather get in on the flip, to be honest, just because of the fact that it's kind of counter trend. But we'll see. Potential runners could come all the way back down to 160, which would be rather nice. To look at how the 30's looking like. Yeah. The only issue I have, right, and what do you guys think about this, is if we're taking sells right now, this could be the retest of the 30 to then flip back up and continue. That's my only issue. That is my only issue. Howly. What do you guys think in the Zoom? Let's get some.
The hour has such a big rejection candle.
Indeed.
And he has no no bottom wick.
wick. Yeah.
So we have a quarter of an hour left, and I don't know.
Yeah.
Buys look tricky.
Yeah. Sells look tasty though.
Yeah.
That is a no trade zone for GJ. Yeah, it was before, but right now, when we look at these moves, pretty good. So, Bri, if you're thinking of getting in here, are you getting on the flip? Are you getting on the retest? The only thing for me on the retest is where would it be? It's already kind of done it really. There.
For what? Oh yeah, sells.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you need to wait for the next candle anyway, but it could just run because it's already done a retest.
Yeah.
So now you'll have to revert back to your candle.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Stops 12 pips. Broken the law already. Oh no, it hasn't on my MetaTrader, which is okay.
Not yet. Not yet.
Got no top wick yet on my MetaTrader. Got no top wick, boy. No, GJ. And there we go. Look beautiful, but for me, you need a nice little top wick. 15 close with no bottom wick. Oh, mine had a bottom wick on my IC markets. 4 hours flipped now, beautiful. And the Owlie's going to be making the bottom wick. There you go. Beautiful. Wow. There you go. So closure back in the zone. Nice top wick. Maybe getting in a bit high here. But for me, I wanted to wait for a little bit more of a 15 minute. Just because of the fact that this candle over here is still very, very bullish. How much was the stops at the previous 15? Yeah. So good. We rejected it pretty nicely now. So where could potentially you want to get more sells? Oh, it's so hard. It's so painful to look at. I mean, the only thing you could really say is a break of the trend when this 30-minute close is bearish, maybe. That's the only thing I could really say. Just break of the trend line, it should fill the zone up, but it's just the price action to the left is pretty garbage, so yeah. Our daily open Tokyo strong support and resistance. I have no idea what you're on about there. Like Brian said, just dropped. Yeah. Oh yes. But it's good that I made the hourly lower wick now. Damn. Rejected them highs nicely. So for people getting in impulses there, you've either learnt your lesson or got break even. So pretty good. Should give you 10 pips of London Open volume. Yeah, we'll see. GJ sells back into the range. To that range is tough. Yeah, I mean it's not the nicest zone, is it? Right? It's not the nicest zone. Gotta say. I want to know what Jason's eyeing up on the 5-minute time frame. Would it be down there? Little 5-minute breaks. Do you not think it's breaking the trend when it breaks the previous touch of the trend line structure to be safer? Yeah, like it hasn't broken it yet. That's the thing. So I'd want, for me, if you're looking at that like trend here, I'd want that candle to close below the trend line. So yeah, it's just tapping it right now, right? This is why we wanted to get in a little bit higher here to then take this trade and then stop us to break even, hope it continues, but if not, yeah, we've got to wait a little longer. Hasn't hit 10 pips yet, but you'll be at break even. If anyone got on here, you should be at break even now. It should continue down. Theoretically, my chart still has no top wick though on the 15, so
Here's my chart, Max.
You are?
Oh, I just put my chart in the Zoom. I'm not in any cells yet, as I didn't get a nice strong closure, man. I'm goldie.
Ah, you're looking at Goldie.
So I'm waiting for a nice strong closure over there, man.
Mm.
We did close below, but for me, not strong enough, man. And also with the hourly, no
Yeah.
hourly opening now. I'm just waiting.
Yeah. That's fair dues. I'm not trading gold today. Yeah, but then it's too close to the support to the left. Feel like the trend line is less relevant than the supports. Yeah, I agree. That's why I barely use them. It's just nice to see it though. I wouldn't take my trade off a trend line. For sure. So wow, if this 30-minute close is bearish like this, we always know if this candle closes, the 8 o'clock does push down. It's just where you're gonna get in. You'll have to see. It's a shame that the zone is just so garbage. It's such a shit zone. What do you think then? Let's ask for some other people. What do you guys think for sells? Like, where are you wanting the sells? It's so, for me, it's pretty hard to justify of where you'd want to get in. Nowhere, yeah. It's just not clear, is it? It's not clear at all. Not clear at all. Below the daily flip? Yeah, I think that would be more reasonable, to be fair. Oh, so someone took that impulse there. Did they get 10 pips? They might have. They might have.
I got 13.
But you did.
Yeah. So if you got the 15-minute,
This is the 15.
so we got the resistance over there, closure back in the range, and we had a top week rejecting that area, and it was clean.
Did you have your stop there?
Oh no, my stop was 10 pips. I'll send you my chart.
Alright, fair.
Like literally 10 pips, bro.
10 pepperoonies.
Yeah, I think this trade was a risk one because of the 30 minutes.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, but you also you can't just look at one time frame, man. Just based on the 30, it was risky because we came up to that 4-hour raise and we rejected it quite nicely. So by seeing that, I was a bit comfortable with it. I wanted the closure below. I wanted the closure to be like below that raise. But when I saw, if you look to the left, you can see we rejected that area numerous occasions, man.
Yeah.
So that just gave me a bit more balls. Yeah.
Brian and Jason aren't bad, Max.
Wait, what?
They give the old wait for 2 candle confirmation and they're fucking in anyway.
Nah, Brian didn't get it, to be fair.
Yeah, he did.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell, well. That's them for this. That's that for you. Yeah, nice. I would have used that current candle high, to be honest, but yeah, that was pretty good. Pretty nice.
If you had to use it at the start, you would have been tapped out because it came back up and had another crack.
Yeah, exactly.
High.
That's what I saw, yeah, there.
That's what I've been
You know, you need to have faith, man. You need to, like, by you triggering, that money is gone. You know, that percentage, it's gone. The fact that you triggered. So, man.
Stream is
Once
blurry. Oh yeah, I can see it.
5-8 pips, that's when I go BE, man. It was nice. It's nice.
It's nice. Brian's just sitting there like a little snake again. Let's take a look here. Snake's 8, lol. Yeah, I didn't like the 30. Let's take a look here. Max GJ broke the trend line that we had on the higher time frame. Ah, it's just awful. Look at the hourly time frame. It's not nice at all. I don't like it.
Also, like I had like this feeling
You are.
I didn't want anyone to talk me out of this trade. Like I wanted to take it, and I didn't want to be talked out of it. Shit.
So yeah, I mean it's interesting though. It's just a hard situation, man. The fucking hourly time frame, the 4 hour, it just looks a little bit shit. Look at the rejections, but it's overall still bullish. It's just like, bro, there's nothing for me. Can we take the sell if the next 30-minute breaks the previous low? I mean, go for it. But for me, it's just an ass area. I am gonna watch though because I always think that this next if this candle closes bearish, the next one always continues bearish that I've seen. But it's already kind of pushed it into the zone. I'm not gonna take any more trades in that area. Where's Daniel Savage? No idea. No idea. Absolutely no idea. Buy at the daily flip? Hell no. I am not buying at the daily flip there. Hell no. The daily flip, if you be at the daily flip there, this 4 hour time frame is pushing down. Yeah, we'll not be looking at that. It's just crappy, man. It's just not nice.
Oh my god, now I'm so annoyed. Gold, man. Ah.
Have you got in yet?
No, I didn't get in because I didn't like the closure wasn't strong enough.
Yeah.
Like, the idea is still. It looks nice, man. Let me just send you an update. I'm not in this trade though. I'm just because I was in that GJ. Where's this Zoom chat, man?
Zoom chat, man.
Yeah, here we go. So, hey, man, this is nice, man. This 5 minutes. There you go. To those that says, man, I'm not just going to base it on a trend line. No, you know, fucking breaking structure, my nigga. Oh, my boy. My boy. But yeah, man. Sorry about that, man.
Nah, you only get told off if it's written down. It doesn't matter about voice. Yeah, nice. I mean, it's a fun way to look at it right now. I mean, the 30 minutes rejecting, the 50 minutes rejecting, looking like it's working out. Looking like it's working out. Oh, look at GJ over here reversing. Shit. Two minutes before the open over here. Shit, boy.
In general, I think it made sense looking at higher time frames, daily, 4 hour, that sort of stuff for being bullish, and it probably just needed to come down and make a lower wick. I don't know.
Yeah, I agree. Yep. So now reflipping the 30 minute, which is what I was worried about for the sells.
I agree with Scott. Like, I was looking at buys. Honestly, I was looking at buys, but at the same time, you know, you also just react at the same time. You know, if there's something to take off, you take, man. But I was looking at buys, like, bro. Honestly.
So the issue is now there's a new resistance. It's like, bro, where do I want to get in? Well, yeah, it's so hard this morning for GJ. GJ okay for buys if closure above 726 again. Now nice wick created as well. Yeah, I think it's reasonable. It's just you know where your stop's gonna be, right? They've got to be reasonable somewhere. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, if it closes in this area though, then it's just gonna be impulses again. And I'll tell you that right now. At the end of this, mate, I'm not fucking taking stupid impulses. I'm telling you. I am just gonna watch it fuck around. So Goldie came back down. Yeah, Goldie came down. Can we take the sells of the next 30-minute breaks the previous low? Yeah, I said that. Yeah, end of May, never trade it. Also beginning of May, yeah. So it's closing, I mean, it's just closing in the middle, right? I just, you know, if you're taking a buy here, great. If you're taking a sell here, great. One of them's going to win. But let me just get my roulette table out and just fucking spin it. It's very hard. I'm not buying GJ yet, yeah. Let's just spin the bottle and hope where its price is going to go, right? I have a feeling it's going to launch. Take a look and see if I... So 50-minute closed bullish, 30-minute closed bearish, hourly closed bullish. So we'll see, maybe the next 50-minute candle. But as I said, the whole of this month, London session GJ is literally being impulsive every time. So there's been absolutely no trades for me to take at London Open, pretty much, this month, which is so mad compared to the last month. But it's what you gotta do, man. I just sit back and wait for it to get better again. Nice strong 5-minute candles, looking like it should push up, but we'll have to see. Hourly's still got no bottom wick. Interesting. But I think I'm just gonna wait for buys over here. Not the closure I wanted, chalked. Yeah, exactly. If it's not exactly what you want, then yeah, there's no need, right? Who's gonna take these GJ sells if this flips? How much should the stops be? 9 pips. That'd be nice if the 15 looked decent, but it doesn't, so I'd probably wait for that as well. But see, I mean, if it's come back up to these highs, rejected the highs, and then starts flipping this candle, should potentially fill that wick maybe. But candles went mostly the same direction as preliminary close, but today different time frames suggest different bias. Exactly, man. Different time frame, different bias. It's just hard to get a grasp of where price is gonna go. So if it does that, it's not the best, right? It's not the best. So we'll see. Let's look at this 5-minute. Yeah, it's still bullish. Interesting. So about to break the 30-minute highs, nearly. Nearly. Coin flip, yeah, it's literally a coin flip. This is literally a complete full coin flip. I would say maybe more to the side of buys, but apart from that, it's just still there's no need to risk that, especially on a Monday when you're starting, you know, your trading week. You're really gonna take a trade like this? Hell no. Absolutely hell no. Just to try and get into a trade this morning. Fuck that. 5 minutes coming up. 15 minutes. It's got 12 minutes left, so yeah, I'll probably wait for this 15 to see what the score is gonna be. But that's good though. Getting into the process of, you know, if the time frames don't line up, if you don't know where the 4-hour and the daily are going, then it's best to just leave it. The daily and the 4-hour look like they're gonna continue up, right, to 169.95, but it's just fucking struggling. It's struggling to do it. You still looking for sells? I mean, it'll be further below, like down here. Yeah. Further below, I think. But it is so important to just let it sort itself out. But yeah, May London session has been absolute dog water. I'm not gonna lie, it's been so fucking boring. so impulsive. No real setups. I mean, there's been a couple. There's been like 4, but not a lot for the whole month. Not a lot at all. So it has broken the high of the previous 30, so it should theoretically continue. The hourly still has no bottom wick though, so that kind of sucks. Yeah, we know what. So if people don't know what that means, it means that look at all the candles around it. Okay. Every single candle has a top wick and a bottom wick, right? This one doesn't right now. It's got 55 minutes left, so the probability it makes one in the next 55 minutes is pretty high. So if you're looking for buys, it's like, oh well, it's a bit of a fucker because you know that most times it's probably going to make this lower wick. Just from base statistics from the other candles. So yeah, bless you. Oh, thank you very much. So yeah, there's still nothing for me. AJ looking better. I don't know. I don't know about that one. It sucks that the Audi has no bottom wick. So, yeah, it's the same on my IC markets as well. Definitely has no bottom wick. Also, guys, remember to check out that payback effects. That if you own like IC markets or Blueberry markets, it's sick for commissions. You get like 34% of your commissions back, or like 37% actually, it might be. That's so much. You know, if you're paying quite a lot on your commissions, 37% of that you can get it back, and it's free to do. So I advise doing it. I was gonna put a little story on that on my Instagram yesterday to say it saves you some money. Wow, look at the struggle. Look at the struggle. Oh my god. I'm paying $6 commission on one lot. Is that high? Yeah, that's about right. But
oh my god, go! Oh my god! Oh my god, go me! I got to read this, man. Holy shit!
1861 there.
Oh my god!
Where did you get in?
Stop playing with me.
On the 5
man.
minute.
I want everybody to stop playing with me. Who said I want that person to tell me I'm not just gonna base it on. Look at that chart there, my man. Look at that chart there.
Nice.
Holy smokes. Easy work. Zero drawdown. Zero drawdown.
Where did you get in? There.
Yeah, on the retest when it came down. So it's untested, right? So we broke out, so I wasn't happy with the closure. So I got it on the retest, 1 to 2. Bob's your uncle.
Very nice. Very nice. Would you say gold was an obvious sell? I mean, I'm leaving it because it's bank holiday. But I mean, if that 50-minute goes bearish here, the overall trend was still. I mean, yeah. If you got the retest there, then it reflipped and broke the lows, how much would you stop? Yeah, 10 pips. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. Bob's your uncle. This guy blowing his load over one trade, man. I have 2 pip spreads on GJ. Ooh. I have 1 pip or 0.8 sometimes. Gold bull trap, yeah. I mean, the hourly close bearish, which is nice. So, the question said many times in this webinar: if bearish candle has no bottom wick, do not take trade and sell. Vice versa for bullish candle. Is it right? Expecting your feedback. I mean, previous candle. Yeah, because there's no candle to. There's no room for it to move. Yeah. So if you're looking for sells, and the last candle closed like like this, and then just breaks the low instantly, I wouldn't take that. However, if you got a nice top wick and then it flipped, then I probably would still take it. But it depends on the setup, right? If this closes like this with no bottom wick, there's no room to fill. Whereas this, there is room to fill still, right? But I would be entitled to take one if the top wick is big, and then flies back down. Yeah, that's what I would look for. Oh my god, look at that retracement, Jace. Did you take any off?
Of course.
Good lad. Good
Yeah,
lad.
Like this is what I was speaking about. Look how quick in a trade in and out. I don't want to stay long in the market, you know.
Yeah,
So the quicker I can be in and out, the better, man.
for sure. For sure. Come on, GJ, get your ass up, man. You've been so boring this morning. Absolutely zero volume. Okay, if big top wick, we can take a trade. Am I right? Yeah. If it makes a nice top wick and it hasn't made a low wick yet, then yeah, for sure. For sure. AJ still chilling. How do you decide if a wick is long enough before setting an order? It's only around about 7 pips. Depends on the zone, but yeah, like 6-7 pips, I'll start looking at it. Yeah, if it's anything lower than like 4, 5, then it's just a bit too risky. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that gold. Oh my god, holy shit. We are bullish though. Still. So now, I mean, if it gets a closure like this in 3 minutes time above, jeez. US 30 is dead, guys. Is it still pumping down? Is US 30 looking better today or not? I haven't seen it. Let's take a look then. Right, I'll do a little analysis on gold while I'm here. Fuck it, because it's still London. You mean NAS 100? I think that's what they mean, yeah. NAS 100. Brian, has your mic came yet? Yeah. I think that's why cryptos are going as well, right? Crypto. Okay, so the next resistance is at 1863, which kind of sucks. For buys above there, then you've got a resistance at 1864. So yeah, for me, it's probably best to just wait for 1864 above. That'll be the hourly breaking above. That'll be the 4-hour breaking past these wicks. And then it'll be the daily pushing up. Yeah, I think that's probably nicer for buys above over here. 1864. Has this been your worst month on stream yet? Yes, I think it has. I think from trades taken, yeah, maybe. It's just been really, really hard for London session, man. Been a lot of waiting. So yeah, probably has. As soon as it's here, I'll definitely show you lot. Yeah. We'll see, man. What is happening with gold? Well, it's clearly just came and collected some orders, now starting to push up. So I hope people taking themselves actually close some positions over here. That would have been rather nice. That'd be rather nice. So yeah, overall this month on London session has been bad. I've taken 2 beefy ass trades though that have actually kept me in pretty nicely. I didn't actually put them on though because I didn't call them out for everyone. But I need to add that next trade that I put on. Let me just add that on. When was it here? 108. What day was that on? 27th. Retest. Got in on the flip of the 5 minute. It was actually based on the 5 minute, this one. Oh shit. What the fuck? Why is that changed? Oh my god. Oh, it's 1 ahead. Oh shit. I need to fix that. Oh well. Why is it 1 ahead? What the fuck? Okay, this one's okay. Let me just get rid of this. There we go. Okay, it's beautiful. Let me just whack this on first. Retest. There's a fake out back in the zone. On the flip at the 5 minute. Full risk took it off at 12 and the rest was at 28. Let me just calculate this. Oh shit. So 12 and 28. Okay, 12 times 0.8 plus 28 times 15.2. So total pips 15.2. Beautiful. So yeah, I mean overall very, very hard, but I mean still overall I think I'm up around about well, because I took them 2 big fucking meaty trades and then these ones I'm up around about 15%, so I've still had a pretty good month considering London was ass. Daniel Savage is probably taking 3 L's in GJ right now. Maybe. I think this is a really good lesson of just chilling out, right? Because you know you could have taken sells there, you could have taken buys here. It's just not too nice, right? So for me, yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of this. I'm not gonna take any trades in this area. When price moves badly, you know, and then you're trying to enter a trade, just remember how bad it was. You know, is your trade gonna be moving nicely here? Probably not. The hourly is gonna flip, which is gonna be interesting. The 50-minute time frames are very, very weak, but yeah. Okay. Goldie closed above on the 15. Stop losses is going to be huge, however. I just kind of rejected the highs, so yeah. Mate, this is Freaky Monday. My God, how hard has it been? Holy shit. Don't be feeling bro, you never get anywhere in life. I bought a cheap mic. If I like it, I'll really upgrade it in time. Wait, what? I thought... Wait, is the Amazon parcel not coming now? Is it not coming at all now? Mate, South Africa, you're an absolute living... You're the opposite of an advertisement to South Africa. Oh, it is coming. Okay, fair. When Jason robs it. Jason, go pick up Brian's mic. I actually can't wait to hear Brian's fucking voice not echoed. Unless you heard it for so long, I'm like, I love to hear Brian's normal voice. Just sing it like something proper. Yeah. It doesn't have to be a good mic. It's just anything other than the one behind your computer. It's just echoes. Yeah. So GJ probably breaking some lives today. You know, if I was here trading like when I was starting off, I'd be losing a lot of money here. So, yeah. Yeah. You've taught me to stop and wait. It's working. Exactly, Ronnie boy. That's a whole part of it, man. Especially in these conditions, right? It's been a tough month for a lot of people. Markets are cycle lately with so many markets crashing. Yeah, exactly, man. I think the reason why is it's just been very impulsive, and 50-minute time frames overall this month has been pretty bad. But I'm gonna go through the whole month with the group when the month finishes for sure. Could be a big move coming out, yeah. Tommy Boy's looking at it. Tommy Boy's looking at the rejections. He's looking at the turtle soup. He just hasn't given me that yet, but the hourly has flipped now. Okay, the hourly's flipped, the 30 minutes flipped, the 15-minute has started to. It's just the zone, man. It's just like you gotta click sell and hope, but it's just so hard. And when you're in these market conditions, you know, instead of taking them trades and sometimes winning, sometimes losing, you know, wait for the clean, strong candles, man. Range trading is for the big boys, lol. Range trading is looking at the fucking 5-minute boys. Nah, this is full range though, bright. How the fuck are you gonna get the cells here? I'll just wait for the EJ 30-minute closure on EJ. Ah, but look at EJ. He's trying to give. Looking like a lot of people are trading EJ this morning. Actually, a lot of people have been asking me about it. I think why do we not like EJ? I think because it moves a little bit slow, kind of like AJ maybe. I don't know, man. All I'm wanting is GJ to get out of this fucking zone, man. Move your ass, GJ. Range trading is for Asian, yeah. Asian's got nicer stops, yeah. You just hold on for a little longer. Hold it on a little longer. EJ moves nicely when there is volume. Nah, nice. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people trade it for sure. Eight minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close, which would be the next 30-minute bearish, and that's when I'll probably start looking. That's when I'll probably start to look. Let me just do this over here. Because theoretically, if we're rejecting these highs pretty hard, we should really fill this zone up. I mean, I know the zone is awful, but if I can get a nice entry, I'll take a look at it. If not, then we'll chill out as well. Let's take a look at Discord. Yes, we took a look at that chart. Guys, make sure to send me some charts in as well. We really want to take a look at some charts. Yeah, and then we'll carry on. So yeah, look at this though. Price keeps on pushing down and retracing a little bit, which gives me not much confidence for it to be a smooth candle. And then you look at the clean candles. You look at, well, these are quite clean. Now these are a little wicky. You know, the overall size of these candles aren't that big yet. Whereas if you take a look at all the trades that we take, like overall, we're going where there's a lot of volume, right? And that's when the candles are bigger. GJ ruins lives today? Yeah, man. Like, if you take a look here at any of our trades, look how big the candles are. Look how strong they are. You got nice volume. That's when you can do the top wick and the flips. Very, very clean volume. This here, look how strong this candle closure is. Strong candle closure, nice lower wick. That retest there was tasty, by the way, if you look at the retests. And then we get the flip. So, like, you know, if I'm looking at trades, I'm wanting candles like this, right? Look how strong these candles are. So when we look on our trades, when we look at our charts today, and we have this, you know, these candles, it's just not nice. It's just not a nice area. So yeah, GJ for sure just ruined lives today. 30-minute closure at 600, retest to 720 to sell down. Yeah, potentially. My only issue is that it's already kind of retested that area like 15,000 times, so I highly doubt it's going to do it again, but we'll see. Look at the hourlies rejecting. 4 hours flipping bearish. Daily time frame bullish. Daily time. Check Charlie Max. Thomas starting to put some spices. So I'm seeing a potential 40 to 1 trade from 145. Price follows a short model from around this area down to 158 region, if being the key word. A full rate of stops on higher time will be around 161. Yes, sir. I agree. It's the same as last week, right? We've broken the Asian highs. We came back in. It's just the way it's moving is very slow. Very slow. So yeah. 65 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Let's try and get to 100 likes over here. I'm still waiting for some nice setups. There's still been nothing for me today. GJ cupping cheeks today. Sure, man. Oh yes. Might as well head to the gym now. Yeah. Still got like half an hour, maybe for something. Did that GJ gold continue? Nope. Please could you repeat the thing about the commissions? Yeah, go to this website, Payback FX. Payback FX. So sign up, look at your broker, and then you get your commissions off for free, and then you just can withdraw them to PayPal. It's pretty good. Bank holiday days suck, lack of volume. Yeah, well, we got 3 of them this week, so that's fucking great. Fuck's sake. So 30 minutes gonna close, but for me, it's just a risk. It's a risk. It's a big ass risk for sure. Thank you so much. No bother, no bother. Does it include past commissions or only once you've signed up? Once you've signed up going forward, yeah. I mean, it normally, like when I signed up, it counted that day, so that this current day it'll count. Well, it did on mine anyway. But yeah, it doesn't take long. All you have to do is like email your broker, and then it sorts it out, and then you're good, pretty much. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy. So yeah. So closing in a minute's time. Oh my god, this reflips. Holy shit. People are trying to take sells here. Oh no, no, no. People have been clapped. People have been seriously clapped today. Oof. So what I always like doing, what I always like doing in my sessions is this, right? I always like looking back and going, if, like, after the session's happened, going, Max, did I miss any trade opportunities? So, I know we still got a while left, but let's just take a look over here. 2 o'clock to 4:30. Okay. So if you take a look here, I mean, the only thing you could have done was the bearish closure there, but for me, the 30-minute was still bullish, everything was still bullish, that was too risky. And then after that, we've just ranged. So there's been absolutely nothing I could take, and that's why there's been no trades taken. Oh my god, GJ, give me a painkiller. My broker is not on payback, unfortunately. Ah, sucks. Yeah, it's only got like Vantage Effects. I think it has Blueberry Markets and IC Markets.
Nah, it's got a shit ton on there.
Yeah, but the other one's all B-Tech, right?
Oh, I don't know. I don't really look, but I just... Yeah, they probably are.
I only done the ones that I actually like recognize. Take a look, right?
Yeah, fair enough.
So IC Markets, Forex Time. Yeah, I don't know any of these, but yeah, they're still 28% commission.
XM's a big one.
Yeah, I've heard XM. Look at that, 37.5% on commissions. How sick is that? But these are all of them. So if you got any of these, Blackwell, I think I recognize Blackwell.
Yeah.
Robo Forex, FX Pro. Oh my god, that was a fucking scamming one. I remember that one. BD Swiss, that's the worst one. Fucking cunts.
FBS are big in... FBS is quite a big one, actually.
Is it?
Yep.
FBS. Someone's asking eToro. No. Tickmill and Blueberry Markets there. So, yeah, that's all of them. But it's worth it, man. I should refresh. But yeah, it's pretty good. I wonder. Nope. FBS is very big in Asia. Ah. Very interesting. Okay, so 3-minute close bullish. So there's still no confirmation for sells. The hourly's still pushing up, man. So yeah. Dominion markets, no. Dominion and all them ones are kind of smaller, right? You know, Dominion and Traders Domain, they're all pretty small. They haven't been here. they haven't been around a long time, right? I'm really praying to the trading gods that this is not ranging all week. Lost 2 trades on GG. I swear those moves have no sense. There you go. So, if you lost 2 trades in GJ, take a sit back, take a little chill pill, and just think what maybe would have went wrong. And the one thing you could say is just the way price is moving is just really shit. But you should have already started to think that price is moving a little bit shit from here, right? This whole zone, and then you would have stopped maybe taking trades. It's a no trade zone on GJ, yes. Right now, anyway, for sure. Bank holidays suck. Yeah. I think traders is the only profession that hates bank holidays, apart from maybe like waiters and shit, because they get like fucking rinsed at work. But apart from that, it does suck having bank holidays for traders, because the volume is just shit. Look at gold. Jesus Christ. Gold wicks all the way back down, collects orders, closes above the zone, and can't even continue. Oh my god. Gold is moving weird as fuck. They all are, man. It's just low volume day. Bro, I'm taking the day off. Yeah. Maybe NY might be a little bit better. The good thing is though with trading is you could literally just generally just look at, like, finish a session, right? Look at NY for the chart of 5 minutes ago. You know what? It's just shit. Let's just leave this, and then you can go and have a great day. Yeah, probably wrong. But it shouldn't really affect the London one, which sucks, because the London one's, you know, the 2 days this week, London's bank holiday, so that's gonna be great in them days as well. Fucking
yeah,
sucks.
but maybe because you've got the US today and the US, pound at the end of the week, and then it's the end of the month and NFP week and like all that sort of stuff. It's just, I don't know, it's a good week to go on holidays.
Yeah, this is the perfect week to go on holidays. Yeah, Connor, agreed. For those that are trigger happy and want to just click a button, take your potential trades and demo today and save your money. Yeah, take them. Yeah, it's true. Asian was good. Yeah, wasn't that good on GJ really. GJ was ranging. Yeah, gold ran a lot, which is nice. AJ did as well. Yeah, GJ was pretty shit. G8, yeah. Today's bias in GJ, it will go right. Yeah. It will print sideways. Closing my MT4 before I take anything stupid. Yeah. Well, there's just nothing there, right? So how I want to look at those that person who just took 2 losses. How did you get in? What was your bias for this? What was your bias? What were you looking at? What were your trades? So now it's starting to come back up, but it's done that like 50 times today and hasn't continued, so it's going to wait above 995. We'll see. It's mainly like not even the direction that's the issue. I mean, it is as well, but it's also just the candles, right? This one's bullish, right? This one's broken the high, which is not the low. This one's then broken the low. So broken the lows of the previous. Now this one's breaking. Like it's just a little bit everywhere, right? I swear I just heard magic keys there. Magic keys.
That'd probably be me. I'm just smashing around on a demo account. I'm not taking anything today.
Smashing around on a demo.
Yeah, and the only trade I wanted to take was the GJ Cells when it came back in before, but
yeah, didn't really give the top wick.
Well, it did. The problem was it wasn't clean in terms of. I mean, yeah, if you looked at the lower time frames, like Jason and Brian did fine, but in terms of the 15, like it made a little bit of a top wick, went down, and then came back up, made a bigger top wick, and then went down again. It just wasn't. It's like what you were just saying there. The candles aren't forming as nicely, and it's just price isn't nice.
Yeah.
Like you kind of look at it, like even Sachin sent a message before, and he's like, "Oh, like turtle soup looks so good." It's like, yeah, but you kind of didn't see the way that the candle was forming. It's like even when you made the comment about you come back for New York, you can come back and look at the chart, and you might think, "Oh yeah, this looks all right," but you're also not kind of seeing the way that the candles are
formed
printing.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh yes. In it, like when you're backtesting, especially in trading view, you can't see how it actually moved. And you're like, oh yeah, this was easy, you know. 50-minute goes bearish, next one makes a top wick. Like, yeah, but it broke the low, then it came up, made a higher top wick. So it's just like, yeah. 30-minute looks better. It still looks rough though. Small 30-minute candles. Look how small them bodies are, man. 30-minute candles are meant to be big like these. Gold crash. It's just rejected it again. Jesus Christ, that's so random. Hourly's rejected again, so the hourly looks good. Yeah. Why the hell did that come and spike up there then? Jesus Christ. It's mad. It's mad. It's a madness today. It's a freaky Monday. But yeah, if you guys do want to book a holiday, this week is the best week to do it, unfortunately. Because yeah, as I said, it's the end of the month, so month is normally a little bit slower. And there's a shitload of news. I ain't even taking a trade as the perfect setup. Yeah, exactly. Just because the way that candles are moving, right? It's sell in GJ today? Ah, okay. Can you send me a signal, please? Send me a signal for that sell so I can get into the trade. See you later, Connor, man. Yeah, are you taking a sell right now on GJ? Sell, sell, sell. Yeah, 169, 161 above there is going to be much nicer, I think. It's a buy, lol. How about it's nothing? It's nothing. It's not a buy or a sell. It's goat shit. I used to love it when Raja said that. Goat shit. He always had to say fucking goat shit. I'm like, why is it goat? Why is it a goat? We need to take sells and buys in GG at the same time, lol. Yeah. Isn't that mad that some people do that? Some people do that, like for scammers. They'll have a buy and a sell, and then when one of them works out, they'll delete the other one on the demo account and then just show that. It's like, wow, great. Some people, man, in this world. Also, remember, guys, I still have a lot of scammers on Instagram, so just be careful. I get messaged every day about it, and I really can't be asked to apply to them because I get like 10 a day. Like, someone is trying to be you. I'm like, I know. What can I do about it? Absolutely nothing. 161 sells, GJ double bottom clean sell. You want to take sells up here? Now, are you wanting sells there because you're wanting the double top here? Or are you going to wait for confirmation there for the sells? Because, no offense, but if you get a candle closure like this, and you take a sell just because of that level, it's probably not going to go too well for you. The best thing you should probably do is wait for price to continue up into this level. Okay. Next candle over here rejects. Next one makes a top wick and then flips, and then that's the trade. But just try not to predict of where price is going to go before it actually has the confirmation, because it's just guessing, right? Roku has ones you got to be careful. Yeah. Because what you actually have a look at over here is, look what we're doing over here. If we're breaking above this 4-hour resistance, we're going to continue all the way up to 161,820. Obviously, there's minor ones as well. I probably should do the first level, would be like there. A little bit lower. So yeah. ICT mentorship is all what we need to be a solid day trader, and plus it's free on YouTube. ICT. That's such a funny name for it, ICT. That's what my computer crash used to be called. ICT.
ICT and SMC.
Alright folks, welcome back. So Lord willing, after the holiday weekend, underscore consideration.
He's trading futures. Is he?
Because
yeah, so he doesn't trade the way I trade, so it's kind of useless. Oh, a scam. Someone says ICT is a scam.
My country, Portugal, due to the COVID situation.
You look like the guy, Swindler Tundler.
Swindler Tundler. He looks like me. He looks a bit like me, and he's fucking Portuguese. So yeah, he's not fucking Chinese, is he? I've got the same eyebrows as him. I've got the same fucking beard as him. I'm literally him. He's fucking Portuguese. It's a cult at this point. Ah, okay. ICT will put you to sleep. Is it quite boring, is it? It did sound a little bit boring. Are you Chinese, Max? Fuck off, Ron. No. Where do I send it? In the chat or in Discord or wherever you're trying to send me. Max is Nigerian. Oh my god. I've had. I'd say since uni, so the space of uni, I had around about 4 people asking if I was mixed race. So like black and white. I'm like, what? But then, to be fair, the people that are asking me actually are mixed race, and they look pretty similar to me. So it's like, alright, kind of fair enough. 100% Chinese. Oh my god. 100% Chinese. Yeah, you could pass for mixed. Well, I've been on the sunbeds recently, to be fair, so that's why I'm probably a little browner than I am normally. I'm still not even brown yet, to be fair. I've only been on 2. It feels like we're working on a Chinese factory today. Oh my god, this is painful to look at, man. Oh, I just know some new people have been slapped today. You can only rely on what your mum tells you. I'll show you a picture. I'll show you a picture of my mum and see if you think she looks Chinese. I'll show you a picture. Try and find one on my Instagram over here. Back in the day. Oh my god, I just saw my eyes then. Oh my god, this does me this does me dirty. Look at this shit. Look at my eyes in that picture. Oh
Yeah, look
god.
at the one next to the the bunny.
Yeah, that one was good, right? Look at that shit. Look at my teeth. Oh my god. I had some Bugs Bunny ass teeth. God, I look bad there. Look at my eyes. Yeah, I can't really say I'm not looking Chinese when I look like that. My mum has them as well. Yeah, my mum's quite Chinese. Show your dad. That's my dad there.
What's up, Dad?
What's up, dog? Let's take a look. You look like Jesse Pinkman in Breaking Bad. Jesse Pinkman in Breaking Bad. No, your mum is quite Vietnamese. Max Moses isn't in the Telegram chat group. What? Yeah, Moses just go in it. Just okay. How the fuck do I do this? 1 second. How the fuck? Moses, I don't know how to do. Actually, I can just do it on here. 1 second. I'll sort it out. 1 sec.
There we go. There's the link.
Yeah.
If he's
oh shit,
not
I
in like
put that
the
off.
chat
Fuck.
one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. He has been 4 to 5 years on YouTube already. Oh, ICT mainly trades Forex. That's what he is known for. This year he has a free mentorship on YouTube on indices. Ah. Indices. That is fair dues. You're a good model for braces. Oh my god. That's great. Max, after these youth photos, we can clearly see that it all comes good at the end. Okay, so Michael says, I will double my subscribers if I apply this concept. Okay, so I need to go and double my subscribers if I use ICT Forex. Let's take a look. Oh shit, Hannah Forex. She did it. Okay, she was actually pretty good for a while. Let's take a look over here. Oh shit, she's actually been posting quite a lot. This is the honest review. She's really, her videos really blow up. She gets a lot of views. She's good, to be fair. She's vlogging. Ah. Man, all I get is Greg Secker. Yeah, same. I get Greg Secker on YouTube every fucking day. He's like, I'm gonna give you this free book strategy on these pair. Like, oh, shut the fuck up. He's so annoying. Max also has the Holy Prophet in background. Max also has the Holy... What the fuck? Holy Prophet? What? Yeah, I agree. Hannah has some good words of wisdom. She's got some good... Do I get a discount if I pay mentorship in your local yen currency? Fuck's sake, session. Yeah, I get Greg Secker all the time, man. He's so annoying. Oh. No, I get one at the moment where it's like, are you a profitable trader? Well, skip this ad right now. I'm like, skip! Oh, there's so many of them. There's so many on Instagram as well. Oh, it's painful to watch. Yeah, I get one where it's like, normally a trader will bring up their Fibonacci and take a trade on this, but our strategy does this all. It's like, oh my god, please. Please. Shut the fuck up. Greg Secker wants about 7k. Oh my god, that's why he's fucking wadded. Yeah, he's basically done he's basically done what Astro Effect FOREX have done, but it's like by himself. Greg Secker, oh my god, he's painful to watch, man. So, in the space of an hour, we have moved 22 pips. Wow, amazing. I hate that guy, yeah. It's the people that just advertise and don't. Why don't they just do it live? If you wanted to like teach people, then do it live, and then people who who like you and want to do it with you, then they'll see you doing it live, and then they'll join you after. If you don't do it live, then you're just buying into something that is just waffle. Yeah. He has the weird hell tilt as well when he creeps. Yeah, he creeps me out. Yeah, he's just odd, isn't he? Jesus Christ, his charts are chalked over here. But if you're sitting here on your desk on a Monday and thinking that maybe if you weren't on the stream you might have taken some trades and now you've just saved yourself a couple pips over here, then that's the reason why I'm here, to show you when you should be trading and when you shouldn't. And today is definitely a shouldn't. So make sure to like the stream if you guys enjoyed that. What's a range 1 and range 2? Range 1 and range 2 is just the ranges that price is in right now. So range 1 and range 2 is like range 2 breakout will be the next zone above it or next zone below it. What happened to Astro FX? I think they lost. I think they've spent too much money than they had, and they're now just doing. I mean, I'm pretty sure that guy, a man who's running it, is just doing basically what I do. He's got like a Telegram or like a WhatsApp and shit. It's like, oh my god. Thing is that you hang around with Lord Alim, who's got some sick cards. That's basically what's keeping him the fucking money. Basically, look, that's his card. Sick. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at what he's showing off. Oh, Shock's showing off his fucking lifestyle again. He's posted nothing. Oh look, let's take it.
200 videos that were in my course for technical and fundamental. from
So look,
AstroFX. Now,
So he's giving away all this shit for free when people haven't people pay like $5,000 for it.
guys, by the time you're watching this video, it will take 15 minutes for you guys to begin watching. And guess what, guys? It's free.
It will begin 15 minutes. Why is 15 minutes so specific? Is it because you have to give them all your details and sign up and put something on? Probably.
Now, for more information, click on the link in my bio and get started right now.
Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this shit, man. That's not his car. No, it's Lord Alim's car. Okay, great. Let's chat. Oh fuck. I don't have WhatsApp. Shit. Let's chat. He's like, give me your bank account details and I'll give you your free webinar. He's another marketer. Yeah, I would stay away from him. I'd stay away. When I see the sign up tag, I'm long gone. Yeah. He tells to sign up with his broker, which probably is a scam. Ah, yeah. Well, no. Well, actually, so if he's got his own broker, right, and he gets you these free webinars, after the webinars, you're probably going to put some live money in, aren't you? Right? Then he's obviously going to make the commissions on your money, and he's also going to, it depends what their setup is, but yeah.
Ebook you.
Yeah. Oh God. Use my broker like you, Max. Thing is though, like that's the thing, right? Using your own broker and like doing it is fair enough, but it's when like I don't know, when they go, well, you can't have my course, you can't have my help if you're not on my thing. It's like, that's a bit pushing it, man. The only reason why I give the IC Markets one is because it's been great for me. So I thought, well, I'd rather give people a good broker. I think people realize I get literally DMs every single day on Instagram and on my email for sponsorships on my streams and shit, like right now. And I've declined every single one of them because they're just like random brokers I don't know. And I just imagine if I put a shitty broker on, they all scam you guys, and I get fucking like everyone's like, Max, what the fuck? So like I'd only give it to yeah, like I'd only promote something if it's fucking legit, because I just feel too shit. The dogs in this industry, yeah, man, that's true. So Goldie closed 50-minute bearish there, not much of a top wick, and let's look at the flower now. Yeah, so if this flower closes bearish again, it's really respecting this resistance. What is IC market leverage you use, Max? I use 1 to 100, I think, or 1 to 50. I have it very, very low because I don't need it any higher. But it goes to 1 to 500. I moved to IC Markets. I was in Rwanda, and the spread on gold was bloody huge. Yeah, you need to go on raw spread account. That's why. Let's take a look at my gold spreads right now. Yeah, 1 pip. Gold spreads right now is 1 pip. Do you not have a broker just for NFP? What? Why would I have a broker just for NFP?
Send it. Not broker, I think account maybe. I don't know.
Oh, that guy! Oh, someone signed up to that WhatsApp thing, and the guy said he will tell you to get 5 friends for referrals. I talk to him on the WhatsApp. So yes, you have to get 5 other referrals to get it. So yeah, it's just gaining more people. It's fucking such a scam. Man, these people, I don't know how they have any morals. Shit's nasty. Shit's nasty, boy.
I think also it's based on, the people that are wanting the easy way out, and not taking the time. Like, everything obviously takes time. And not taking themselves through the whole education process of how things works, etc. So they literally just jump into the hype that they see. So because they see flashy shit, etc., they buy into that, man, immediately.
But I don't get why, because every time I saw that when I was learning, it put me off them. That's why I like Raja. So I don't get what these people are like. Why are these people so obsessed with it? For me, I could see straight through it.
Yeah, because you came in wanting to learn, man, and that's not what others are doing. So those that are not coming in wanting to learn, they are the ones that are getting burned, bro.
Yeah, for sure. What's the commission on IC? £5 per one lot, I think. But then you can get 37% of it off with that payback FX. So it's pretty good. What kind of percentage gains do you average every month? Depends what month. I mean, this month I'm up like around about 12, so let's say 15, 12, 15. It's a very, very low month for this one, to be honest. And that's because 2 of my trades are huge in the last week. The month before that was 39, which was a huge month. So I'd say around about like 16 to 20%. I'd say 16 to 20%. I do wonder what the in-person courses are like. Did they actually? Well, the thing for me is, right, these in-person courses. What are you gonna learn in them couple days that's gonna change your life? Tell me. You can't learn to trade in fucking 3 days.
How to draw a zone.
Like, how to draw a zone, like, I could have fucking told you that on one live stream, like, and they spend so much money on it, and they're like, oh yeah, I met him, and you know, I'm his friend now, and I've done all this. It's like, oh man, I would never do in-persons. In-persons is just fucking load of shit.
Yeah, they'll show you how to sign up trading view, how to open a trading view account.
Yeah, it's all that, isn't it? It's like, oh my god, like, you could literally just learn that, and they've spent like $1,000 learning how to fucking open trading views. Like, really? How can you tell the spread cost? Where do you go check? I mean, you can see the total on your thing, but can you see it per thing? Let me just take a look. I don't know, actually. I just normally look at, like, if you go over to the bottom, it has profit. If you go to the right, where the profit column is, it's different, and that's the different commission. Yeah, overall. You could see it a lot easier on an MT4, pretty sure. If average of those returns, why not get a funded account just to boost your profits? Because my big account is big enough, trust me, I wouldn't want any more money. I'm happy with my 6-figure, thank you very much. Did you see last Raja's stream? He showed a big AR and YouTube shut down the stream 2 minutes later. No way! That's mad. So, I mean, this Goldie over here is closed pretty nicely. Rejecting. 4-hour time frame is bearish. This has been a nice top wick. The only issue is it's right at support. And the support kind of comes all the way down to 1856. Yeah, the 30-minute support's right there, which kind of sucks. That's mad that that happened to Raja. Holy shit.
What did he show?
A fucking AR. Oh, that's mad. Yeah, can you see over here, guys? So people may be wanting like this gold flip and break of the lows, and it may work out. The only issue you have is it's right on this hourly support resistance over here, which is there. Could act as support. If it does flip though and break the low, you might be able to squeeze a couple pips out, but for me, it's just not. I mean, it's a nice strong candle. 12 minutes left. Where would the retest be? Retest is probably there right now. To the left hand side, or maybe a little bit higher up over here. It'd be back up there, to be honest. Look at GJ. Does someone just take another trade here? Oh my god, it's painful to look at, man. Shit, boy. An AR-15. Wait, Raja showed it in his house. Is it on the screen on YouTube, like on like a YouTube video or something? GU. Trying to think of where people are looking at these retest for. It might be up there. How much was that stop? Oh, 22 pips is kind of a lot. Oh, he had it in his house. Oh shit. Fucking hell, man. I just couldn't live in a country where you have all that gun shit, man. Ugh, just no. I saw someone from the US said that we need to have more funding for making bulletproof doors and shit. It's like, oh my god, why don't you just get rid of the guns? That was mad. So, GJ, absolutely chalked. There's absolutely nothing here. If you take a look at every single time frame, since we started at 7 o'clock, there's been absolutely nothing, right? It's been horrendous. So that is fine for me. I'm glad I didn't take any trades there. Gold, I mean, if this does flip and break the low, you might get a drive down. The only issue is it's right next to this support for me. But the hourly is bearish. So, I mean, the hourly closed strongly bearish, rejected the highs. Stop loss right now would be 13 pips. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah. They need bulletproof kids. Yeah, facts. Facts, boy. Hey, I tell you what, I kind of want to jump in this, but I just think it'd be a bit silly as it's right next to this hourly zone, and also for the fact that it's kind of after the session, but 9 o'clock's normally not too bad. I think if this wasn't here, I'd probably take it, but it kind of is. It sucks. It's right next to it. GG, you're gonna take flip now? Flip? What flip? What flip, boy? I'm gonna leave GG until NY. I don't want to play this. Even if it's a strong closure here, I'm just not playing. It's just been horrendous. Horrendous. On the hourly? Oh, you're gonna have a buy on the flip. Ah, okay. Well, good luck with that. I do wish you well. But I am not getting into that at all. Why? Well, price has been moving like ass. The hourly candles have closed with big both two top wicks at the top, rejecting the highs. So yeah, I'd stay out of that for me, personally. Okay, let's take a look then. So Goldie's looking like it's coming down. Let's take a look at the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute close bullish. Okay. Yeah, if this wasn't there, then it would have looked a lot nicer. The hourly time frame though, it's made the top wick. I'm going to enter on the flip on gold. Nice. I think on the flip, why wouldn't you just get in on the break of the low? It's just 2 pips, but it'll make a much difference, right? How much are the lows? 16 pips. Stop is like 14. Yeah, that's all right. That's not too bad, to be honest. That could work out. I think for me, if it just closed a little bit lower, like 1858.5.4, something like that, I think it would be much easier. Much easier. Arm the teachers, protect the children like we protect the politicians and celebrities. Yeah. Arming the teachers, oh my god, like, the teacher just gets too pissed off and just takes out his AR and just tells some kid to sit the fuck down. Oh my god. So, the 30-minute, it's broken the previous 30-minute low, the previous 50-minute lows, so it's rejecting again for the second time. Interesting. I'm just hoping for the push. If I don't see it, I'll close it at break even. Yeah. Okay, so flipping now on Goldie. Very nice. Breaking the lows. 15 pip stop for a 16 pip gain on the hourly time frame. I just wish for me it closed a little bit below. Hasn't broken the low of the previous yet. So just be a little cautious there. Just showing that this 15 support is right there, boy. Right there. I may paper trade this, guys, just to see it if it works out. But I don't think I'm gonna take it. It's just too much in it. area of rejection there. Look how many times these wicks have came up. It could do this quite a lot of times, right? Yeah, I'm off. Catch you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Yeah, see you later, Scarlett. I have a feeling there may be a little bit of a choke session today, but that's fine. Was there any trades to be taken? Nope. Did I get slapped? Nope. Are you gonna hit the gym now? No, I'm gonna chill out for a bit and then wait for NY. Yeah, I'm gonna clean my room actually. Yes. No trades for me today. Yeah, me too. There was no entries. It was very, very hard. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. If you're in Zoom, make sure to see you at 12 o'clock, and hopefully we can see some nice trades. And I'll see you guys later on. People in YouTube, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you later. But really good work today.
Thank you very much, Max.
See you later, guys. Peace out, man.
Thanks. See ya.
See you later, guys. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. If you guys do want to join us for the NY session, we are growing rapidly. Nearly 150 members. Make sure to come and join the mentorship. Webinars every week, simulation sessions every week, and signals every single week. Up 12% for the month. So yeah, guys, make sure to come and join that if you guys want to. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. See you later, guys.